Okay, so where are we today, boys?
We're going to do a adventure walk. No, a nature walk.
Cool. And where are we? What are we going to see?
We're going to see nature
Well, nature, yes, but what else?
and giant rocks.
Giant rocks.
And
What is
the
that?
arch.
The Granite Arch. Yes, Oliver, correct. So, is it going to be fun?
Yep. Yeah.
So, shall we get going?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
We
go.
are here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Off we go. Where are we, boys? And where are we going? The Granite Arch, yes. Looks like you're on the moon, doesn't it?
It's crazy, but there is no water on the Whoa! Where do we go now?
Which way now? Do you want to have a look at the sign?
The water's full.
Hey, do you want to have a look at the sign?
Where? What? Back there. Wow! Bridge! Guys, bridge! Bridge! Yeah! Bridge! 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 What? Oh, bridge! Ah! This looks like it was on there because they used to go down. This was finding a lot of stuff. Hey, it's this way or that way. Granny, on road that way or that way. Let's go this way. Let's go.
What was that, Oliver?
250 meters this way.
Oh, is that what the sign says? Cool.
This way.
Off we go then.
Looks like the moon when it wasn't graded.
Wow, it does a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah. Daddy, let's go this way.
Okay.
Oh.
What's up there, boys? What is that?
Oh no, bushfires are back. I see some burnt trees from the bushfires. I don't think this is. Here's one. Big cold one.
What it's called?
No.
A can.
Is it for someone who died?
It can be, yes.
I'm not going to make it fall over because that's mean.
Correct. Maybe you might need to walk around, Ronan.
Yeah. There's a throw hole. Throw onto the rock. With a boulder. Throw hole. Oh my god!
Oh, yay. Oh, wow. What about it?
I'm up here.
That's a big rock.
Wow, so deep. Oh. This is to help you climb up. I can't go under the tree. Hey, I can't go under the tree. Go around it. Oh, this is a good place. Yeah, good place. I'm using this stick to help. Needs to happen. Wow, it is so high. Yep, so high. Yep, so
You're,
high.
you're up in the trees, aren't you?
Yep, up in the trees. Oh, we're in the trees. With a gun and a stick. Yep, let's keep going. Ooh, rock. I'm up it. Hello, Daddy. This is a big boulder.
What's in there? Is it a cave, is it?
Oh,
Wow.
you're gonna have to crawl, I guess.
Did I?
Ugh.
Okay. Good job. Oh.
I think you can squeeze through that. Wow, you just barely fit through that. Wow. This rock is cold indeed. Yeah, I know. It's cold. Are we gonna go through? Well, giant rocks. Looks like a thumbs up.
Did you put that up there?
It looks like a love heart and a thumbs up. Hey, this looks like the thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up, please. Oh.
Where are we, boys?
We're at the arch.
Yes.
It looks beautiful, doesn't it? A giant's masterpiece. Here we are at Giant's Masterpiece. At Stanthorpe. At the Granite Arch. Having fun on our nature walk.
Was it a good day?
Yes.
We'll go there again?
Yeah.
Very good. And now, back to the action. Don't get stuck in there.
I got through it. Oh, I'm inside a tree.
Yep. Like an elf.
I'm inside. I was inside the tree. Let's go in the tree.
Yeah, you want to go?
You coming, Ronan?
Here he is. Well, look at you up there, king of the castle.
Ah. Grandma. Chocolate factory?
Yes, we'll go to the chocolate factory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Still got a video of us there. It means blow up.
Are you going to blow up with him?
No.
No? That's lucky.
What's this?
It's a burnt tree, Brennan.
It's a duck.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
I swapped my old stick for someone else
Wow.
and got a new stick in
Cool.
the garden. I'm holding my gun because one of them. Did they just build this? Yeah. Did they build this just of course? Is that what they did?
Yep.
They just built this of course.
So you don't have to Superman jump.
Yeah, you don't have to jump like Superman and say, I believe I can fly. Smash that subscribe button, please. And leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to like the video.
Did you have?
Also, click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.
Did you have fun?
Yep. Yeah.
Very good.